Hi, my name is Roslyn Ifeyinwa Okehe, and together with my team, we work on this app prototype. Today, I will walk you through our app prototype and share the key lessons we learned about Agile project management during this project. This is our app prototype, and this is the login screen. This login screen is designed to be simple and easy for users to enter their credentials. So when you enter your credentials, you click on the login screen, it brings you to the next screen. This is the Book a Lab page, where users begin the process of selecting the type of lab they want. So when you select on any lab you want, it brings you to the next screen, where you have to choose a lab. This is the Choose the Lab screen, showing lab options in a clean and organized layout. And when you choose on any lab, enter your date and time, it brings you to where you have to book now. You enter your days and you click on the Book Now. These screens represent the main user flow and demonstrate how the sprint helped shape the final design. One of the major accomplishments in this project was the clear structure created through sprints. Working in small, manageable increments helped me stay focused and organized. For example, when developing the screens for the login page, booking a lab section, choosing a lab, and the final Book Now page, breaking the work into sprint tasks made it easier to complete each part on time. This went well because Agile encourages frequent check-ins, adjustments, and consistent progress. So instead of trying to finish everything at once, we completed the app step by step. This approach increased my confidence and reduced confusion. The same process can be applied to future projects because using sprints ensures steady improvement and prevents overwhelm, especially when building app. One of the areas that needs improvement is how tasks were estimated and planned at the beginning of the project. The issues we had was that during Sprint 2, we found that estimating the development of the Choose Lab screen and Book Now screen were not detailed enough. We had to break the tasks into smaller subtasks, such as designing the drop-down of the lab option, coding the booking confirmation button, and testing the form validation. As a result of that, these tasks took longer than expected. And the impact, because of this underestimation, the final Book Now page had to be completed under time pressure. We had less time to thoroughly test the navigation link and page layout, which increased stress for us and reduced the opportunity to refine the user experience fully. And the solutions: in future projects, we will assign story points to each subtask during sprint planning, ensuring that each component of a screen is estimated individually. Additionally, we will add at least a 10% buffer to the sprint schedule to account for unexpected challenges such as debugging and design adjustments. This approach will create a more realistic timeline, reduce stress for us as a team, and allow for higher quality work. The Agile principle that stood out the most to me during the project is iterative development. This principle teaches that instead of trying to build the whole product at once, we develop it in small iterations, review the progress, and improve it based on feedback. I apply this principle by starting with wireframes, then improving them into high-fidelity designs, and finally turning them into a clickable prototype. Each iteration allowed me to identify mistakes, make changes quickly, and improve the overall user experiences step by step. For example, the navigation link and the page layout became more intuitive after reviewing earlier drafts and updating them during each sprint cycle. This principle helped me see how continuous improvement leads to a better final product and is something I will continue using in future design projects. So in conclusion, this project helped me understand how Agile supports continuous improvement, better planning, and user-centered development. By applying Agile principle, evaluating what went well, and making recommendations for improvement, I gained valuable experience that I can carry into future projects. Thank you for watching my presentation.